What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I have 4 wind-up toys to show you. The first one is from The Land Before Time, Littlefoot, and this was from Burger King. The year is 1997. Here's a picture of the display of the toys that you could get. The next 2 are from the same place. A lady actually gave them to me. She got them both at Walgreens. They both have the year 2016. Here is the other one that she gave me. Here's the last one. It's Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. Unfortunately, this one did not want to work. You turn her right ear and they would just both walk. This one is from McDonald's and the year in the back says 1999. Check out how many toys you could collect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite wind-up toy. And of course, until next time.